Hey guys, it's Gauri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some super simple t-shirt DIYs to transform some of your older clothing into something super cute and fabulous that you can rock anywhere. And if you're new here, remember to click the subscribe button below and let's get to it. First up, we're going to be adding fringes to the bottom of our t-shirt. As you see over here, I have this old Mickey Mouse t-shirt and it is a bit too boring for my taste, so I'm going to add fringes to the bottom of the shirt. First up, what you want to do is cut the border of the shirt. Now that I'm done cutting the front border, I'm going to go ahead and cut the back border. Now that I cut the borders of the t-shirt, I'm going to start cutting the fringes. And notice over here, I made a little mark with my pen as to how long I want the fringes to be. And this kind of just depends on your t-shirt size, but I made it 19 centimeters up. But of course, it's totally up to you. Now I'm going to start cutting. And this is the finished look of the fringes. Next, we're going to be making a cold shoulder on the shirt. So the first step is to put the shirt inside out. Next, make a curved line across the neckline and the sleeve. Next, cut along the lines that you just drew. For this final DIY, I'm going to be making a distressed look in a t-shirt and modifying the sleeves a bit. First, I'm going to cut the sleeves halfway. And then you can make a knot with these two to make the sleeves a bit more tighter. So now we're complete with this knot, so we're going to do the exact same thing on the other sleeve. Now that both the sleeves are done, I'm going to flip this t-shirt inside out to make our distressed look. Now I'm going to make 3 lines on the bottom of our t-shirt. Now I'm going to cut these 3 lines. Now flip your shirt back to normal. So these are the final looks. I'm really happy with it because it turned out really good and it was super duper easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed these t-shirt DIYs and try them out for yourselves as well. Remember to click the thumbs up button and the subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment below what you want to see next because remember guys, I post every single Friday, so stay tuned. See you guys next time, bye!